Meaning of dearth.
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 Dearth. Dearth means a scarcity or lack of something, especially food. It refers to a situation where the available resources are insufficient to meet the demand or needs. This can lead to negative consequences such as malnutrition, hunger, and even famine. A dearth of resources can also impact economic growth and development, as businesses and individuals struggle to meet their needs and achieve their goals. Overall, a dearth is a problem that requires attention and action to ensure that basic needs are met and that society can flourish.